Hello, what's up mga idol? Welcome sa ating panibagong vlog ngayong araw. Okay guys, sa vlog na to, i-feature natin ang ating paboritong prutas na papaya. It contains a lot of vitamins such as vitamin C, vitamin B9, vitamin A, vitamin B5, vitamin K, vitamin B3, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, vitamin B1, and vitamin E. Hello, what's up mga idol? Good morning po sa inyo lahat. Tara, kain po tayo ng papaya. Okay. The papaya fruit is also rich in minerals such as magnesium, copper, potassium, calcium, and manganese. The papaya fruit has many benefits, including protection against heart disease, reduce inflammation, aid in digestion, and boosting your immune system. Sarap guys. Okay guys, so malapit ko na maubos ang aking papayang kinakain. Okay guys, tapos na ako kumain. So napakasarap, napakatamis na ating papayang kinain.